The company Softears has announced a new earphone. Now you're looking at the Twilight. This is their flagship earphone for the year. Look, this company makes very expensive earphones, and you have to be in a position to afford most of their products. This is a dynamic driver earphone. This their flagship dynamic drive, single dynamic driver earphone. You're gonna pay $900 for this model, around $900 for this, which is not cheap in any way, shape, or form. It makes it very, very, very hard for most people to even afford, because the fact you're getting a single dynamic driver in here and it's this pricey, it's everything that maybe chases people away from these high-end audio gear in general. Just the price is just really ridiculous, because you look at the fact it's only coming with one dynamic driver, and no matter how well the dynamic driver is made out of, it's still a single dynamic driver, but it's expensive. So let's look at what you get. Look, the build quality of the Softears Twilight is fantastic. It's definitely going to be fantastic because of the money you're going to spend to buy it to begin with. So it really looks fantastic. It does also have a large diameter DLC dome structure. That's the dynamic driver it's coming with. It's 10 millimeters in size. That's the size, 10 millimeter in size. It's a very expensive set. And then you also get a very good cable that gives you everything you need in a cable in terms of connection types and everything. The impedance on the earphone is 16 ohms. It has a sensitivity of 116 decibels. You'll certainly need a DAC and amplifier to get the best out of this set. It really is that good. Frequency response is 15 hertz to 40 kilohertz. It is a pair of earphones that should be as competitive as it gets for a lot of audiophiles in general. It really is that good. The other thing again you will be interested in is the fact that the unique shape ear shells are made of high quality aluminum alloy. So the build on the shell is typical soft ears. They make incredible shells. Their shells are ridiculously strong most of the time. The only problem I have is the shape of their earphones. They don't really look cute, and they charge you a lot of money to buy their earphones to begin with. And that's a bit of a problem, because if you're gonna charge me a lot of money to begin with, look, a lot of things have to be in a correct fashion. Look, that's just my own take on the whole situation. Look, the Softears, they're very good. They know exactly what they're doing. They've released a couple of flagship earphones in the recent past. They are very consistent. In fact, when they came out the first time, I actually thought they were a sister brand to Moondrop. But it seems like maybe they don't have any affiliation to Moondrop, as I've confirmed over time, that they are their own entity in general. Because I used to think that soft ears will come out and be making the high-end product, while Moondrop goes back down to the regular products they can make, and don't not invest too much time on this high-end brand. That's something I used to think. Look, it's really good. It really is good. Look, the Twilight from Softears has everything, like the cable that has swappable connections. The fact that the shell weighs a lot in general. So if you are someone that don't like buying earphones that weigh a lot, you might not want to have this earphone in your collection. I know people that don't like heavy earphones, but that's just for them. It's not for everyone in general. Look, the details for it will be down in the description, but it's an expensive set. It's very expensive. It's very typical of soft ears. They just know how to charge you a lot for their products, and they're beginning to have a lot of fans, because many reviewers push their products. That they say their products are fantastic, they sound amazing, and they're very good. So I don't know yet how good their stuff is in general, because of the fact that they've not had too many releases over the years. But the few that they've released, a lot of reviews have been put out for everything that they've made. They just seem to have this mass appeal from the fans in general. You get multiple ear tips, you get a carrying case, you get a manual, you get a pouch. So it's really a good deal that a lot of people would easily fall over just to have at this point. Very good earphone in general. I like what I'm seeing, honestly. So look, I'm going to drop details for you guys if you're more or less interested in this set, because like I said before, $930 is the price tag, but you still get a lot of features with it, like multiple ear tips, beautiful design, fantastic shell, and an amazing cable as well that has multiple connection types. So I'm going to drop the details for you guys, so you check it out, subscribe to the channel, like our content. I'll see you guys very much next